Hi, it's Eldar, and in this video I want to share with you the simple technique I'm using to have a responsive padding on my Blocs websites. And first, let me show you why we need responsive padding. So here we have the Blocs project and it looks fine. I mean, we have 3 blocks, the header and 2 content blocks, and if you click on any block, we have these padding settings in the sidebar. So we can set it to none, full screen, or anything in between. So for example, 100 can be an option here. Here as well, we can change it individually to 100. So maybe for the header, I will use 150, and for the desktop, something like 100 will look the best in my opinion. But the problem is when we go to mobile, so let's go to the browser preview, and here we have the mobile screen. So this is the desktop, it looks perfect, but when we go to mobile, we don't need so much padding on mobile devices because it takes a lot of screen real estate. And if we go to maybe a bigger device, still it takes a lot of real estate. And even if we go to tablet, I still think that over half of the screen is too much. So what can we do here? Of course, we can go to the mobile and change the padding to something like 50, and I think it looks much better. And let's go to preview again. You can see that even though in mobile we now have 50 and it looks great on smartphones, when we go to tablets or even desktops, it just looks terrible. So unfortunately in Blocs we cannot set the padding to some specific breakpoint. So whatever we choose will be applied to all breakpoints. So I don't want that. Something like this will be much better. So what we can do here? Well, we can select the block and add the custom class to it. So let's add the custom class block padding, and we will open this custom class and we will start to adjust the margin and padding section. So let's select the top and bottom sides, and we can do that by pressing on the top, holding shift and pressing on the bottom sides like that. And next we will type the amount of pixels we want to add to top and bottom. So we want it to have 150 pixels, so let's type 150. And as you can see right now it's too big because whatever we add here using custom class will be added to whatever we have in the sidebar. So let's click done for now, and let's go to the sidebar and set the amount of padding to none. So all the padding we add will be added through the custom class. So now we have the padding added using custom class, and it will look the same on all breakpoints again. But now we can open this custom class and adjust it for different breakpoints. So let's go to the medium breakpoint, and for medium breakpoint we will have 100 pixels instead of 150. And for the small we will have something like 70. And for the smallest one, extra small breakpoint, we will select 2 sides once again and set the padding to 50. So now when we go to the browser preview, in desktop we will have beautiful 150 pixels padding, but when we go to the smaller devices, we will have much smaller padding. So to show it to you in real time, I will go to the preview mode in Blocs and I will drag this bar here, and as you can see the padding gets bigger when the window gets wider. So basically when we create this custom class, we can just copy that and add it to all blocks we want to have the same padding. So let's select the second block and copy paste this custom class here. And once again, because the amount of padding we added using custom class is being added to the default settings we set in the sidebar, we need to remove the padding set by the sidebar. Same goes here, we will remove the padding and we will add this custom class. So this is it for responsive padding, and if you want to learn more about blocks, I recommend to check out the Blocks Master website, and I will also share more videos like this on this YouTube channel and on my blog. So if you want to learn web design with Blocks or Squarespace, stay tuned and I will talk to you in the next video.